Defense Day is observed on answer is 6 September. The common value among the people of Pakistan is answer is Islam. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? Answer is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan? Answer is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Sardar Abdurrab Nishtar was the governor of answer is Punjab. National Code of Pakistan is answer is PK. Where is the Warsak Dam of Pakistan situated? Answer is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Shakkarpadiyan is situated in answer is Islamabad. Identify the largest cantonment of Pakistan. Answer is Khariyan Kant. Which city of Pakistan held the OIC conference in 1997? Answer is Islamabad. In which year was OIC founded? (1969). The Kargil incident happened in answer is 1999. Which country assisted Pakistan in the construction of Sandik project? Answer is China. What is the total number of districts in Pakistan? Answer is 154. The total number of districts in Punjab is answer is 36. The total number of districts in KPK is answer is 35. Which is the oldest cantonment of Pakistan? Answer is Kohat. On which river did India constructed Wular Barrage? Answer is Jhelum. Name the commander-in-chief who was also the defense minister in civil government. Answer is Ayub Khan. Who was the second martial law administrator? Answer is Yahya Khan. Name the smallest division of KP. Answer is Torgar. Jinnah of Pakistan was written by answer is Stanley Wolpert. Shalimar Garden was built by answer is Shah Jahan. Where is the tomb of Iqbal located? Answer is near Badshai Masjid. Gedani beach is located in which province? Answer is Balochistan. Which country does Ko-Karakoram highway connect Pak with? Answer is China. Name the smallest state by area. Answer is Malta. Which gas do the plants exhale at night time? Answer is CO2. Distance from the north and the south equator is called? Answer is latitude. Reuters is the news agency of? Answer is UK. What does WWW stand for? Answer is World Wide Web. Most urbanized province of Pakistan? Answer is Sindh. Black gold is the name of? Answer is oil. Which is the coldest area in the world? Answer is Siberia. Capital of Azad Jammu Kashmir? Answer is Muzaffarabad. When was Liaquat Nehru Pact between India and Pakistan signed? Answer is 1950. Who was the first woman governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Answer is Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Mirpur is a famous city of? Answer is Azad Kashmir. What is the total area of Balochistan province? 347,190 square kilometer. What is the total area of Sindh province? Answer is 140,914 square kilometer. What is the total area of FATA? Answer is 27,220 square kilometer. What is the total area of ICT? Answer is 906 square kilometer. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि हर आने वाली नई वीडियो आप पहुंच सके। शुक्रिया।